Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to make capsicum and onion stir fry recipe which is known as Shimla Mirch, Pyaj or tomato ki sabzi with crushed peanut. Is a delicious, quick and Maharashtrian style side dish. It balances the crunch of spiced peanut, pairing wonderfully with hot chapati or steamed rice. The ingredient needed for this Shimla Mirch recipe: we need capsicums 3 medium size and cut into cubes. Next we need 2 large onions finely chopped. Next we need green chilies 5 to 6, tomato finely cut into cubes. Also we need ginger garlic paste. For tempering we need mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and few curry leaves. In spices also half tablespoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, salt for taste and 2 tablespoon of oil. Adding half cup of peanut powder gives the creamy texture. Crushed roasted peanut brings the actual crunch in capsicum recipe. Next step is the tempering the spices. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splatter. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute until it turns light golden color. Add finely chopped sliced onions and saute until it turns soft. Stir it continuously, frying for about 1 minute until the raw smell goes away. Stir in chopped onions and ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until it becomes soft. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and mash the tomatoes with the help of backup spoon. Add 1 tablespoon of green chilies paste along with the ginger garlic paste. Stir well and saute for about 1 minute on medium heat until the raw smell disappears. Mix well with chopped tomatoes and onions. After adding tomatoes and green chilies paste, add turmeric powder. Mash the tomato with the help of spoon. Press down and mash the tomato directly into the pan. Finally, at this stage, add chopped Shimla Mirch or capsicum cubes to the pan and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. After adding the capsicum cubes, stir well until every piece is completely coated in the spices. Keep the flame on medium-low to prevent the ingredients from burning. If the mixture looks too dry or sticks to the pan, splash in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix all ingredients with capsicum. Adding peanut powder or roasted peanut introduce the rich nutty flavor and delightful texture to the dish. The style highly popular in the Western Indian cooking. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder right after you mix the capsicum cubes into the tomato onion base. Sprinkle it evenly over the top and then stir thoroughly to combine the peanut powder. Peanut powder binds the onion and tomatoes, coating the capsicum pieces perfectly. It soaks up any excess liquid, making it an excellent dry side dish. Add salt for taste and mix it. After adding peanut powder, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if the pan looks too dry after mixing. Cover the pan with a lid and let everything simmer on low heat for about 2 to 5 minutes so the flavors melt together beautifully. At last, once the oil starts separating, you will see the tiny droplet of oils separating at the edge of the pan, indicating that it is perfectly cooked. The capsicum cubes, the Shimla Mirch is ready, and give it one last gentle stir. Turn off the heat. Stir it well. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. So the dish is ready to serve hot. Capsicum is known as Shimla Mirch in India, is an healthy vegetable that provides critical nutrients while being very low in calorie. Adding it in your daily diet offers healthy rewards. One medium capsicum provides well over 100% of daily requirements. It is highly rich in proteins, which helps to protect your retina and lower the risk of cataract. Capsicum contains potassium, which regulates the blood pressure by balancing the effect of sodium in the body. This capsicum or Shimla Mirch sabji is a delicious capsicum. Pairs beautifully with variety of Indian breads like jawar or bajra pearl millet, roti, also with wheat chapati and white rice or steamed rice. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.